We go all the way up to my floor.
This is a mix-up Rubik's Cube, and my friend Louise is solving it. Oh, shut up.
Make me dizzy, God. I know. Yeah, but solve it. Oh, like you could do better, not if not. I could never figure this one.
I couldn't finish this in a day.
Those things would take me like, if I let it like, those things would take me like 3 hours. I'm like, no. Oh. I just messed the whole thing up. I gotta start over now.
I like rage on it and break it.
You got it.
This game's fast.
No. I don't even know his name. What's his name?
Well, I think it might take up longer than it did last time.
Of course, Jazz knows this. Celebrity. It's a Jazz. Hurry up, I'm gonna go skate. Dad, you know how to skate?
What?
You know how to skate?
Solve it.
You good? How is you good at skating here?
Goodness gracious, that was bad.
Here, let me see.
Let me see!
Dude, I was about to do something.
I cannot do the roller.
Okay, hold up, guys.
I didn't do anything.
My friend Louise has solved the Rubik's Cube. Literally. So,